Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by exposing the movement quickly. Press a thin one. 5 mm case knife into the case lip and pry gently until the back pops free. Once done, remove the strap first by pushing spring bars with a 0.5 mm pin tool so the watch sits flat. Make sure to keep all tiny parts on a tray or cloth so nothing rolls away. You're doing this to prevent tension on the movement and to create easy access for subsequent steps. Next, isolate power and free the movement. First, use plastic tweezers to slide the battery out after releasing the retaining clip. This prevents current flow and damage. Then, note the exact positions of the hour and minute hands. Loosen the small hand setting screws and lift hands with a dedicated hand remover tool to avoid bending. Once clear, remove any movement holder screws and lift the movement very gently by its edge. This prevents bending the plate and misaligning gears. Finally, inspect and prepare for reassembly. Check the coil, gear train, and contact pads for dirt or corrosion and clean with blower and pegwood. Do not use solvents on coils. Replace the battery with correct voltage and reseat the movement into its holder, tightening screws in the original order and torque. When replacing hands, align them precisely and press straight down. If hands bind or timekeeping fails, check the Canon pinion seating and battery contact continuity before closing the case.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.